Okay, so most people would say that the most difficult part of organizing is getting rid of things, purging. This is something that I probably have had the most trouble with when it comes to my clothes. I'm always one of those that, even though I haven't worn it in a year, I will be like, but what if I need it? What if I need this? What if? But now, this time, I told myself, get it together. And if you haven't worn it in a year, you're getting rid of it. So that's what I did this time. If I have not worn it in a year, I got rid of it. And let me tell you, I got rid of some stuff. I have not even gotten to my husband's side of the closet. One, because he has to help me edit some things out himself. And I have filled up, overflowed the bin that I started with. I didn't pull that much out of my hanging things because I do wear a lot of my sweaters and things during the winter and the fall. But when I went through these drawers and these shelves, OMG, look at this. Overflowing bin of stuff. That's unnecessary things that I've been holding on to that I haven't even worn in a year. And probably some of this stuff, I was like, oh, I didn't even know I had this. I thought I had gotten rid of it before, and I still had it. Like a belt. Seriously, a belt I've never worn, and I probably got it like 10 years ago. When they used to come on jeans, the free belts that used to come on jeans. Yeah, I still had it. So I'm here to tell y'all, even no matter how organized I possibly may be, I still hold on to stuff too. And I'm telling you, this is the time to get rid of it. Just put it in a bin, and once it's in there, do not take it out. The only thing you're allowed to do with it is take it to donations. All right, guys, happy organizing.